One of my favorite aprons. Hey guys, Becki-licious here. I'm making a breakfast pizza on a biscuit crust. And baby, this might be the best breakfast I've ever made. Look at my homemade breakfast pizza and watch how fun it was to make too. Breakfast pizza, baby. All right, first step for this amazing breakfast pizza is we have to get the crust going. And as you can see, I have some Grands biscuits, and these actually have the butter little pellets in them, if you will. So we're gonna get this all rolled out so it can fit. I'm just gonna use an 8-inch springform pan. So let's get started, see what happens. All right, this is all spread out. Now we're gonna transfer this over to our springform pan. Our crust is all ready. Now we are gonna bake this. I'm not gonna bake it for the full time. Usually biscuits go in for about 13 minutes or so. We're gonna do it for about half the time because I'm gonna finish baking it once we throw all the toppings on. So let's get our biscuit crust in the oven. Like I said, it's only gonna go in for about 5 or 6 minutes, okay? Let's get our toppings going. We're gonna start with our sausage. This time around, I'm gonna do sausage for this yummy breakfast pizza. But obviously you can use bacon if you want. Now I'm going to saute up some mushrooms because I love me some mushrooms. So we're going to throw a little bit of butter in our pan and get this melted up. And we're going to get our mushrooms all nice and sauteed. Yumminess. And I've got these pretty fairly decently sized because it's going to go on a pizza. So I really wanted to be able to see them. So here we go. Yummy, yummy. Oh, these mushrooms are looking amazing. All right, time to get these eggs in our pan and get them all scrambled up. I've got about 4 of them in here. This should be a decent amount because, you know, we want to have plenty. That's the way it goes. Our eggs are all scrambled, and now it is time to assemble our breakfast pizza. All right, so we are going to place our eggs first. Let me kind of get those spread around. Nice and pretty. Looking good. Looking good. All right. So I've also got some diced up onion. And this is the beauty about doing any type of a pizza. You can do whatever kind of toppings you want. So today we've decided we are going to do some onion. And then my yummy mushrooms. This is what I'm wanting right here. Is the yummy mushrooms. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of cheese next just to kind of help bind the sausage because the sausage is going to be the very, very last. And I've got it all chopped up, that sausage that I made earlier. So we're going to sprinkle this all around. Oh my goodness, tell me this isn't going to be amazing. We're going to sprinkle on our cheese for the very last layer, and then this is ready to go into the oven. Breakfast pizza is going into the oven. Looky there. And we're just basically putting this in there to melt the cheese because obviously everything's already cooked. So we're probably going to get it about 6 or 7 minutes, okay? Time to pull this breakfast pizza out of the oven. As it looks. That looks phenomenal. It's like a deep dish little pizza. How cute is that? Breakfast pizza, baby. I cannot wait to taste this. I can't. Breakfast pizza. Oh my God. That's pretty damn good. It's really good. So there we go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen today, didn't we? Look at how amazing this is. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, click on this one.